Android. Hopefully it's better. It might be my voice because I know I have that weird. I'm trying to think of the words. I can't think of the words. I just know my voice because of, well, one thing or another. It, tone wise, changes. It goes up, it goes down, it goes monotone, dulcet. I can change my voice when I want to make voices, make funny sounds. Um, I make a sound at work sometimes when things are getting crazy. And I had a friend of mine once said that it sounds like a demented squirrel. Okay. Um, all I have to say about that is my personality can get a little crazy. I wouldn't say demented. I'm not some sort of psycho person. Or am I? I'm not psychotic. I'm just nuts. But anyhow, like I said, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, hit that bell so you get notified when I put up another video. Hopefully, it won't be as far apart as this one is compared to the last one, because I think the last one I did maybe 8 days ago. And I think that's because it's a combination of Jerry Ann came home and things were getting timing. Well, shouldn't say timing because I had plenty of time. I just wasn't making the time. So, but I have been busy between work and helping Jerry and doing stuff around the house. But anyhow, I'm going to finally end this video because it's already 30 minutes long, if not longer. And, well, until next time, God bless and see you guys later. Bye.